YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video, man. Today is Tuesday and it's right now 4:04 a.m. in the morning. As you guys can see, I am trading New York session today. I mean, not New York, London session today. And I just finished trading, man. This is the trade that we took. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward again in the 1 minute using 5 minute confluence. And I'm gonna break this trade down for y'all and everything. But I do have to go to work right now. I do have to get ready by 4:30. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me throughout my day. Do what I gotta do. Gotta go to work, do the things that I gotta do. Take you guys with me, and then when I get back to the house, I'm going to break this trade down, man. So if you guys want to see that trade, if you guys want to see the breakdown of this trade, then stay tuned for this, man. And right now, I'm gonna just take you guys with me throughout the day. All right, so it turns out that I still got like 20 more minutes until we gotta go. So I'm gonna just explain this straight to y'all so y'all can understand it. I'm gonna do it right now. Like I said, this was the trade that I took, and this is the 5 minute right here. This is the 1 minute right here. And how am I using 5 minute confluence? Let me get rid of the 1 minute time frame. Let me just stick to the 5 minute. And okay, first thing that I always do, I start my analysis in the 1 hour time frame. So I go to the 1 hour and I see what is the market doing in the 1 hour right now. And I see that we have this bullish momentum towards the upside. So in a way, I'm looking for buys because we have a bullish momentum, even though the overall trend is bearish. The momentum right now is bullish. So I took sales. Okay, I took sales, but let me explain to y'all why I took sales. And then, and this is the 5 minute, and I see the 5 minute is doing this. Like I said, this uptrend is pushing towards the upside. So when I come into the market at 3 a.m. in the morning, I am right there. And at this point, I see that we have this demand down here. So in a way, I'm expecting the market to come down to this demand, to then keep on pushing up. So that's my bias coming into the market. I want to take this demand to go towards the upside. But what do I see the market doing? As you know, it creates more information. So I see this. I see this being formed. Like we might not go to, we might not come down to the demand down here. So the market might just leave us. It might do that, but you never know. And then I see this pattern being made right here. What is this pattern right here? This is an M pattern. Boom, come down, come up, come down. And what do we usually do when we have an M pattern? We push down even more. So I'm expecting, because we did this pattern right here, I'm expecting the market to come down to this demand to then push up or go towards the bottom, whatever it might want to do. But I am expecting this market to come towards this demand down here. So when I see that this candle right here, this red candle, the wick of this candle came above all of these wicks and it closed like that, I'm like, okay, let me see how it is looking in the 1 minute. So when I go to the 1 minute, let me just go to the 1 minute. So when I go to the 1 minute, I see, I'm looking at this. This is the liquidity graph. This is the big red candle that we have seen. And then now we're looking to go towards the bottom once it breaks underneath the 13 moving average. The 13 moving average is this blue line that goes along the price here. So since we seen the M pattern in the 5 minute, there's one confirmation, M pattern with liquidity graph. Now we go to the 1 minute and we look for a confirmation. We look for a candle to break underneath and to close underneath the 13 moving average. And this is exactly what this red candle did right here. As you guys can see, it broke underneath the 13 moving average and it closed underneath the 13 moving average. So what do? I get in, put my short position right here, put my stop loss above, and I was aiming for a 1 to 2. Why was I aiming for a 1 to 2? Because there was a high possibility that we were gonna respect this demand down here. Because and the reason why I didn't close exactly here is because we have this M pattern. So when we have this M pattern, there's a high possibility that this demand is not going to be respected because the market is making a downtrend. What is it called? Like a down pattern, like a downtrend pattern, like starting a brand new downtrend pattern. So I aim for that, and yeah, man, as you guys can see, that scared me a lot. Thought we were done after that. But once that happened, what I did was I brought my stop loss. Instead of being up here, I brought it up here. So I was gonna save myself a little bit more if it was to come up again. But as you guys call on, what am I doing right now? Okay, so that was gonna be my stop loss. And yeah, man, it was playing around for a long time. That scared me again. I thought I was gonna be taken out of the market, but then it came exactly down again. And yeah, man, it took a long time, but at the end of the day, take profit got hit using the 5-minute confluence and the 1 minute as well. So this is amazing. This is an amazing trade, like I said. And you know, for other trades, in this case, we were counter trading. That's the reason why we went for a 1 to 2. But normally we can go for like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 on a regular basis. So this new strategy, man, is amazing. It's amazing. I would definitely use it way more. And yeah, man, this is the trade that we took today. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. And like I said, I gotta go to work. So let me do that, man. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. So stay tuned. Man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. This is the schedule that I used to follow for months and months and months and months. And now that I'm getting back to it, it feels kind of weird, man. It feels kind of weird. Like trading, London session, and then going to work right afterwards. Man, the only thing that I'm missing is a 30-minute run that I used to do in the morning as well. Like, we're going back to that schedule again, man. We're gonna have to forget about, hold on, let me turn this light. We're gonna have to forget about a New York session again and start focusing on the London session again, because bro, it's gonna get busy again. But this week, I don't think I'm gonna be working this entire week, but yeah, man, this schedule, I have to get used to it again. And the reason why I don't have a lot of energy to celebrate the fact that we have won $1,200 is because, listen, it's morning, bro. I woke up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. I just don't have the energy, bro. But trust me, I feel like Jesus, bro. Like, I just won 1,500 yesterday, and today 1,200. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. And I'm still processing it. Like I said, I woke up early today, so I don't really have a lot of, like, I'm not really an optimistic person right now because I just woke up. But man, as soon as I get this coffee, man, it's gonna hit, it's gonna kick. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's go to work. I got like a 2-hour drive, one and a half hour drive towards this place that we're going. So yeah, man, let's go. All right, man, we have now made it back to the crib. We have now made it back to the house. And this is basically a day in my life. This is basically where my day comes to an end. And I will go to boxing practice later on today at 7:30. But by the time I come back to the house, it's going to be way too late in the day. And I have to wake up early tomorrow to go to work. So I'm just going to end this video right here. I'm going to edit this video, upload it to YouTube, and then get ready to go to the boxing practice afterwards. But yeah, man, this is basically a day in my life. As you know, I upload every single day, so I must see you guys here. I'm gonna see you guys here tomorrow. I might see you guys here tomorrow, same time, same schedule, same channel, same everything, man. Y'all already know what the deal is. But anyways, man, y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and make sure that you have a relationship with the highest, man, Jesus Christ. Y'all stay safe, and without further ado, this video is now over.